In this guide, we will explore the 2025 Hyundai Palisade Fuse Box diagram and its location through a series of questions. Where is the fuse box located in the 2025 Hyundai Palisade? How can you identify the different fuses in the diagram? Instrument panel fuse panel. The instrument panel fuse panel in the 2025 Hyundai Palisade is conveniently located for easy access and maintenance. It contains fuses that protect essential vehicle functions such as interior lighting, infotainment systems, and power outlets. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2025 Hyundai Palisade houses fuses and relays for critical engine and electrical components. It safeguards systems such as the ignition, cooling fans, and fuel pump. The panel is well organized and labeled for efficient troubleshooting and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.